A new feature of the Generation 4 displays is the ability to create a guidance track off of the boundary. If you would like to do that, select Set Track, Create New Track, select Boundary Track, pick Boundary Fill. It will currently say select a field and boundary to generate the boundary fill track. So it's going to use whatever field you currently have selected. We'll show you the boundary. If it looks good, select Next. Pay attention at the top of the screen to the track name. The Generation 4 display will automatically name the tracks Track 1, Track 2, Track 3, and subsequent if you do not change the name. So in this case, Track 3 does not mean a lot to us, so we're going to want to go ahead and change that to something that we can use. So because this is the boundary track, I'm going to go ahead and name it so. Select OK. Select Save. I can see on my display, I can see my purple boundary, and then I have now created a guidance line to match up with my display. As you can see, my track spacing set to 30 foot, and it's automatically put my AB lines 15 feet from the edge of the field like they should be. If I would like to begin auto track, simply turn the auto track pie on, begin driving, engage auto track. So as we can see on the display, my tractor is in perfect relationship to my boundary for my 30-foot tool. Another function I could use is I can record another AB line while auto tracking off of the boundary fill pass. In order to do that, I can select Record Fill. Then I can set an A point, and then a B point, select Done. Keep in mind, it saved that as track number 3, which may be something I would like to change. In order to do that, I can go ahead and hit Set Track, review my track list. The Record Fill was named track number 3. Then I can go ahead and change that name to something else. In this case, I'm going to call it East End because it's along the East End roads. Select OK to resave that line under a new name. If I would like to use that AB line, I can select Set Track, select East End, hit OK. I can see that line. I can also go back and use my boundary track since I named it appropriately. Select OK to use the boundary track to complete going around the field.